Write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. See, one thing we'll do consistently is we'll write all of this expression in standard form. I want you guys to get used to that. In polynomials, writing in standard form is very important. So we'll try to get used to it from any point of time, from all the possible problems. Okay. So how do you do this? First thing is we'll write it in standard form. So I hope you guys have watched the basics. The standard form of writing a polynomial is from the highest power, in this case x square, then in the descending order. So the next is x and the last is 2. Along with this, I would like you guys to write the numbers. That is, if there is nothing multiplying with any given expression, it's always 1. And here too it's 1 and the power is 1. So such things will help you guys handle polynomials better. This small thing will help you with polynomials so much, you will see the difference. Now coming back, we need to answer the coefficient of x square. So what is the coefficient of x square? Well, what is the number which is multiplying with x square? 1. That's it. Okay. So I would like you guys to pause and try the remaining set of questions. I hope you guys have tried it. So the standard form of the second question is the highest power is x cube. Next is x square. Along with that we have a negative. So this sign will not change because we are moving things around in the same expression. Few kids, they change the sign. Please don't do that. It's within the same expression and there's a plus. Okay, so here there is a plus, and so shifting around things will not change much. So let's add ones. So 1 into x cube minus 1 into x square plus 2. And now the coefficient of x square, and that happens to be minus 1. Right? Okay. Next question. What is the standard form? Standard form over here is pi by 2 x square, the highest power, plus x. Again, getting used to things. We'll put a 1 over there, 1 over there. This will help us in future. Now, what is the coefficient of x square? It's quite simple. Doesn't matter whatever. See, pi is also a constant. So don't get confused. Should we write pi? Yes. It's also a representation of a particular irrational number, but yes, still a number. So pi by 2 is a coefficient. The last one is a tricky part. I'm sure few of you would have got stuck. So let me help you guys out. For others, do watch. You might learn few things. So we have the standard form is root 2x minus 1. And let's put a 1 over here. Now, there's no x squared term. So what is the coefficient? How can we talk about the coefficient? Well, the trick here is 0. If I add 0 to anything, well, things won't change. Do you agree? Why? Why won't things change? Because 0 is an additive identity, that is if you add 0 to anything, things won't change. Right? 0 plus 2 is 2. So I can just add 2 to this expression, things won't change. Can I multiply this with anything? Because 0 into something is 0 itself. So 0 into x square is 0. So 0 plus anything is 0. So end of it, I can do this. Now can you see the expression x square? There's a term with x square, right? So what is the coefficient? The coefficient of x square is 0. And that is your answer. So you can pause and have a look. Learn the art of writing things in standard form. Don't get confused over here. Right? So this is a place when people get confused that should we not change the sign? No. We're not changing the side of the expression. It's within the same side. It's just an expression basically. There's no side to the expression, to be frank. So that sign changing thing happens when we are shifting term from LHS to RHS. That happens in equations. And if you want to again learn basics, a set of videos which you guys have seen. So there's a separate set of videos. Learn math from there and then move on to the tougher ones. Just don't skip things. Okay? Again, things are organized for the sake of learning. If you learn in an unorganized way, you will take a longer time, actually a lot longer time to get things done. Okay, so learn basics, then move across.